In Exodus, he's the Passover lamb. In Leviticus, he's a high priest. In Numbers, he's the pillar of cloud by day and pillar of fire by night. In Deuteronomy, he's the trust fulfiller unto Moses. In Joshua, he's the captain of our salvation. In Judges, he's a judge, Lord evil. In Ruth, he's a king's redeemer. In 1st and 2nd Samuel, he's a God's prophet. In Kings and Chronicles, he's a reigning king. In Ezra, he's the rebuilder of broken walls of human life. In Job, he's a ever-living redeemer. In Psalms, he's a shepherd. In Proverbs and Ecclesiastes, he's a wisdom. In Psalms of Solomon, he's a loving bridegroom. In Isaiah, he's the Prince of Peace. In Jeremiah, he's a righteous man. In Lamentation, he's the weeping prophet. In Ezekiel, he's the wonderful prophet man. In Daniel, he's the husband in life very promise. In Hosea, he's the faithful husband, forever married to the backslider.
Wow.
In Joel, he's the baptizer with Holy Ghost and fire. In Amos, he's a burden bearer. In Obadiah, he's mighty to save. In Jonah, he's a great warrior missionary. In Michael, he's the messenger to beautiful feet. In Nahum, he's the avenger of God's elect. In Habakkuk, he's God the evangelist crying by thy works in the midst of the earth. In Zephaniah, he's our Savior. In Haggai, he's the restorer of God's prosperity. In Zephaniah, he's come as an open door in the house of David for sin and ungodliness. In Malachi, he's the son of righteousness, arise and meet healing in his veins. In Matthew, he's the king of the Jews. In Mark, he's the servant. In Luke, he's the son of man, filled with one eye view. In John, he's the son of God. In Acts, he's the savior of the world. In Romans, he's the righteousness of God. In 1st Corinthians, he's the royal gainward. In 2nd Corinthians, he's the triumphant one-given victory. In Galatians, he's of liberty that sets us free. In Ephesians, he's the head of the church. In Colossians, he's a completeness. In 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, he's our hope. In 1st Timothy, he's our faith. In 2nd Timothy, he's our stability. In Philemon, he's a benefactor. In Titus, he's the truth. In Hebrew, he's our perfection. In James, he's the power behind our faith.
Wow.
In 1st Peter, he's our example. In 2nd Peter, he's our purity. In 1st John, he's our light. In 2nd John, he's our pattern. In 3rd John, he's our motivation. In Jude, he's the power behind our faith. In Revelation, he's the soon coming king. The first and the last, the beginning and the end. He's our creator of all. The architect of the universe. The manager of all things. He always was, he always is, and he will always be. He's the unknown, unchanged, undefeated, and never wrong. He was good and he was fierce and his faith. He was undefeated and brought freedom. He was dead and brought His goodness, kindness, gentleness, and pure, and God. His holy, righteous, mighty, powerful, and pure. His ways are right, His words are eternal, His will is unchanging, and His mind is unchanged. He's my refuge, He's my Savior, is my God.